Hi guys, and welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm back in funded just past today with a crude oil trade. If you're wondering why I'm not more excited than I am, it's because I've burnt myself out jumping around, dancing around the house. I'm ecstatic, I'm happy to be back, and it's taken me a long time. So let's see what I did. We got, this is the FTP. It took me one combine and 2 FTPs and 9 months to get here. 23rd of March was the combine start, finished at the 6th of June, went on to an FTP, which they don't have here, they've removed it. And then finally I've completed this FTP. This says 78 days, so it will say 79 days when we're done, when today's is logged, and this will say whatever it says, whatever we said here, $1,508.80. 79 days. This is what I'm talking about, persistence. Went through 3 various phases personally and method-wise, and had to adjust and stuff like that. So I'm confident I'll be able to do a hell of a lot better in funded than that daily profit. But a profit's a profit. We're making progress. We're back in funded. So that's the first thing. The next thing is the control center. So unfortunately, I lost all my data when my computer crashed somewhere around mid-November-ish. So I only have data from the 20th of November, and I can't show from 14th of August to 19th of November. But this gives you a flavor of what I've been doing. It's only a month of the 4 months-ish of data. My God, it's been 4 months. August the 14th, September, October, November, December, yeah, more than 4 months. And here is the data, $877.59 in the last month or so, because we're on the 19th of December and this is from the 20th of November. So bang on a month, a calendar month. Not bad for a contract. Very good actually, an improvement of, if you go back to my last videos, look up the other funded trader prep and combine passes, you'll see that I was netting about 500 to 600 a month over the course of the last 6 months, I want to say, of 2016. So this is a 50% improvement on that. And this has got a lot to do with crude, because you see these statistics here, you can have eyeball them, 320 down, drawdown, so that's excellent, within $1,500 buffer. Profit factor, again, 2.11, fantastic. 37 trades, so not over trading, 54% win rate, 1.8, let's call it, to 1 reward to risk. Nice and steady, great. Then you can have to look at the graphs. Here's the graph. That's cumulative profit, daily net profit. You can see I had a few down days here, but for the most part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 winning days against 4 losing days. That's what I've always been aiming for. And this has got, guys, this has got a lot to do with structure, putting structure in place and morning. That video I did, if you go back to either the last video or the video before that, I talk about applying structure to your trading. That's made a massive, massive difference for me. Distribution, here's how it pans out in terms of Central European time trading. So obviously there's some extra edge in my favor the way I interact with the market around midday. 9, 10, 11, just before lunch, doesn't do much. We've got profits here, they taper off, and then evening into afternoon. And this shows that I've not taken one trade after 6 and not taken one trade before 9, which I really love, having office hours rather than burning myself down like I've done in the past. Drawdown, as we said, max 300 and some change. Won't look at entry, efficiency, monthly net profit. Weekly net, let's look at trade profit. So you can see there's one, in fact I had my biggest trade today on CL, and that's that one there, but we've got anywhere from 50 to up there 170-ish. So 1 to 1 to 3 to 1, and then keep the losses small. And finally, weekly net profit, the last 5 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have been profitable. So that's that. Is there anything else I want to cover? I don't think so. So I will call, just let me get this back here. Oh, I'll probably move on to the other FTP that we have for my partner, and see if we can bring that up. It's slightly below 0 because I tried to chop and change and jump between. So I decided to focus on this. That's what I wanted to mention. So here's the profit and loss for the whole of this last calendar month, 877.59, 37 trades. If we get rid of all trades but crude, you'll see that a good chunk of that, nearly half, in 9 trades. So what's that? 9, 18, 27, 36, 25% of the number of trades, nearly 50% of the profits, 3 to 1 profit factor, less drawdown, about the same win rate, I think, but 2.43 to 1 reward to risk. So that's great. I used to get this on 33% win rate. So granted, this is only 9 trades, but I'm going to be going more with CL in the new year. But that's going to be it for me on my trading for this year. You can't trade in the funded accounts, and I don't have it yet anyway. But even if I was to get it in the next week, I can't trade until the 2nd of January. So I'm going to take a much deserved holiday, spend some time with the family, with the kids, and that's about it. So I will leave you with this.
Lose! I don't lose! I win! I win! I'm a
Trader.
That's my job! That's what I do!